Hi guys, today I'll show you some basic example of loops in C language. We'll try doing while loop, do while loop and for loop today. We'll start with while loop today. It's a very simple loop. So as you can see, I have already given the two libraries here, stdio.h and conio.h. We will start with our main function now. Void. We'll declare a variable first. So I is our variable name. I we will initialize this to 1, and now we will use our while loop here. While say I less than equals to 10, we'll print the values of I. We will give a new line character to make it easy output. We'll give so %d will take the value of I, and we will increment I to get out of the loop. So I plus plus basically means I equals to I plus 1. If you want to increment it I equal by more than 1, you can just give the value I equals to I plus 2 or I plus 3, like that. We'll have get ch for the output, and also we'll include clear screen to make it look better. Now we will compile our code, alt F9, so we don't have any error. Now we'll run our code. So you can see we have the value of I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. So after every increment we print the value of I again until I becomes equals to 10. Now we will modify our code a little bit. This was the example of while loop. Now we can make it also do while. We just have to give do here, and we can give while I less than 10. Say here instead of less than equals to we give less than 10. We can do our compiling again and see this time we have only up to 9. So it totally depends upon you how you want to execute your loop. If we want to increment it for more than 1, we can give as I equals to I plus 3. Now if we'll execute this, I have only 1, 4 and 7, because 7 plus 3 is 10, hence we get out of the loop here. Now I'll show you for loop, which I think is very much easy and very much useful, and also less codes to write in for loops. We don't need to initialize I here for at all, and we also don't need to have int here. We can do everything inside the for loop. For you can declare I, can also initialize at the same time. You just have to give a semicolon to divide uh, the values. For I equals to 1, and then you have to give the condition I less than equals to 10, and then you also have to give the incrementation I plus plus, and then close the loop and start executing. Printf will print the values of I here. We'll give the new line character, and then %d to catch the value of I, give it as I, and then that much. Now we'll compile our code. So we don't have any error here. Now we will run it. So see, we have the value 1 to 10. So that's why most of the time people use for loops. But while and do while also have its usage. But with for loop the things becomes very easy and less codes to write. So this is just a basic example of while, do while and for loop. We'll go to the complex examples in the next videos. Thank you.